Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Sylvania Smart Bulb not connecting, 2.4 GHz, reset steps and app pairing fix. Fix 1. Perform a factory reset. As most connection issues require clearing the bulb's memory and forcing it into pairing mode. First is the 5-cycle method. Simply turn the bulb off for at least 3 seconds and then on for 3 seconds, and repeat this cycle exactly for 5 times. The 6th cycle alternative. If 5 cycles don't work, try turning the bulb off and on 6 times in a row, pausing for at least 1 to 2 seconds at each step. The confirmation. The bulb will flash rapidly or cycle through colors to show it is successfully reset and in pairing mode. Fix 2. Verify your network settings. Sylvania Smart Bulbs only operate on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. They will fail to connect if your router is attempting to push a 5 GHz connection. So temporarily disable your router's 5 GHz band via your router's admin dashboard while setting up the bulb. And if your router combines 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band under a single Wi-Fi name, move to a room further away from your router. The 2.4 GHz signal travels further, ensuring your phone connects to a correct frequency. Fix 3. Reconnect via your smart app. Depending on your model and preferred ecosystem, use the proper application to re-add your device. Sylvania Ledvance app. Open the Ledvance Smart Plus app, then select your smart speaker, the Google Home, Amazon, Alexa, or Apple HomeKit, and then simply follow the on-screen prompts. The Apple HomeKit. If connecting via HomeKit, ensure you have the original HomeKit setup code. Alternatively, use the Sylvania app to a direct HomeKit firmware update before adding it to your Apple Home app. Fix 4. Check for app and firmware updates. Outdated firmware can prevent a bulb from authenticating with your smart home network. So log out of the Sylvania app, then log back in to force a refresh. And then check for a firmware update warning icon in the app under the Select Your Smart Home Speaker or Device section. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.